بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi students. Hope you will be fine. It's your study time and I hope you are ready for maths. Students, today I will teach you example 4 of page 8, which is numbers in words. Dear students, first of all, I am asking you a question about the previous lecture 4. Okay, tell me what I taught you about numbers in words. Yes, very good. Numbers in words means numbers in spellings. Numbers in words means numbers in spellings. Okay, now open page 8 in your book. Can you see the numbers from 51 to 100? Look here. 51 to 100. Look here, some of these words of numbers are already done for you. Look here, 51, 60, 71, 80, 100, 65, 70, 86 and 90. These are done for you. And the remaining blanks you will fill with words of the given numbers. The remaining blanks are empty. Now students, be ready. I will tell you a spelling and you have follow me to fill the blanks. Look to 51. Its word is 51. F-I-F-T-Y 50 O-N-E-1. 51. It is already written in the book. Come to next. 52. Write its spelling and follow me. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-W-O-2 52. Here 53. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-H-R-E-E-3 53. F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-O-U-R 4 54. 55. F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-I-V-E 5 55. F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-I-X 6 56. 57. F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-E-V-E-N 7 57. 58. F-I-F-T-Y 50 E-I-G-H 58, FIFTY 50, NINE 9, 59, 60, SIXTY 60, SIXTY 60, ONE 61, SIXTY 60, TWO 62, SIXTY 60, THREE 63, SIXTY 60, FOUR 4 64, SIXTY 60, FIVE 5 65, SIXTY 60, SIX 6 66, SIXTY 60, SEVEN 7 67, SIXTY 60, EIGHT 8 68, SIXTY 60, NINE 9 69, SEVENTY 70, SEVENTY 70, ONE 71, SEVENTY 70, TWO 72, SEVENTY 70, THREE 73, SEVENTY 70, FOUR 4 74, SEVENTY 70, FIVE 5 75, SEVENTY 70, SIX 6 76, SEVENTY 70, SEVEN 7 77, SEVENTY 70, EIGHT 8 78, SEVENTY 70, NINE 9 79, EIGHTY 80, EIGHTY 80, ONE 81, EIGHTY 80, TWO 82, EIGHTY 80, THREE 83, EIGHTY 80, FOUR 4 84, EIGHTY 80, FIVE 5 85, EIGHTY 80, SIX 6 86, EIGHTY 80, SEVEN 7 87, EIGHTY 80, EIGHT 8 88, EIGHTY 80, NINE 9 89, NINETY 90, NINETY 90, ONE 91, NINETY 90, TWO2 92, NINETY 90, THREE 93, NINETY 90, FOUR 4 94, NINETY 90, FIVE 5 95, NINETY 90, SIX 6 96, NINETY 90, SEVEN 7 97, NINETY 90, EIGHT 8 98, NINETY 90, NINE 9 99, HUNDRED 100. Okay, students, please, you should write neat and tidy. Now, make correction of your mistakes from this book. Look, all the spellings is written for you. Students, today your homework is to learn spellings from 51 to 100 and write in neat notebooks properly. Students, here are some instructions about your homework. You should write just 10 numbers in words on one page, like 51 to 60 on first page, 61 to 70 on another page, and so on. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.